Alright guys, going back to our scene, we're gonna explore more options in the viewport panel. This will help us like to move forward and edit and customize like details about the objects in the scene. So um, one thing to point out before moving on is within every let's say object that can be added to the scene, there is some hidden options that can only appear at the start. So once you create a new object, let's say add a UV sphere here and move that aside. So there is this menu here. The menu will have different options each time you click a new function. So let's say we go back and we will change the cursor, 3D cursor placement, and we go add a new object. So let's say this is will be helpful for primitive to set up like the dimension. So I'm gonna create a new cylinder at that position. I can have like this menu that contains details, so I can reduce the number of segments and increase those. I can change the size, the height, and I can change like the details to, let's say, so this is has other types, so n-gone, nothing, it will be empty, and there is like the triangle fan that will have more different feel for the cape. Okay, then there is other options also to move, locate, relocate, and once you click away from that, so once you click away or choose another gizmo or options, this will disappear and there is no other way to have this menu get back again. So as you see here, I have already clicked twice out of that menu and I have this already disappeared. I cannot get this to get back again. This might be one of the issues with the Blender software, but there is some turnarounds that can help you get this type of information at and access those details at any point. We will explore this later, but I wanted to highlight this before moving on. So moving on to the menus or properties menus on the side, you can toggle this by clicking in on your keyboard and you will access this group of menus. This will differ from one section to another. So if you click in other tabs, you might see different menus. So let's say I went to the compositor, I can click in and that will hide or reveal that menu, but you will have different option groups each time. So just keep that in mind. We can go back to this. Also, if you're gonna add like any external add-ons or activate like add-ons from within like the software itself that hasn't been activated from default, it will appear here. So for now, let's say I have this shortcut viewer add-on to highlight these shortcuts that I'm clicking here on the side. It will appear here in if I will click this arrow here, I will have more options. So each one of these menus have different options for annotation or for collections, or you can explore this and you can find like very helpful options there. If you want to add any new let's say add-on, you have to go to the edit menu here and click the preference tab. This will take you to this panel, and going to the add-on section, you can find this uninstall button. So let's say if you want to search for existing add-ons here, you can type here in the search bar and this will highlight like different add-ons, and if you want to activate any add-on, you just need to click this checkbox and it will be automatically activated. No need to restart or do anything else with the scene. You just click that and you are ready to go. So here we have this activated add-on. This is an external one, so you need to install this from download this from other libraries, from maybe GitHub, Gumroad, or Blender Market, and you just click here install, and you browse your library and get that from there. We will see some helpful add-ons. We will show you from where to get those and how to install it to use that in your workflow. So this is the add-on section is done, the layout and other sections. So we will move on to the next chapter soon, so stay tuned. Thank you.